Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles. Today I have an unboxing to do. Is from Indigo fragrances. I forgot to order some other fragrance that I needed for a soap request that I have, so I also ordered other ones that I wanted to try. Yeah, I know I have many fragrances already, so I have fragrance for all this year to work with it. But some of the fragrance that I already have, that I already use, I need to reorder because people keep asking for the same soap. Alright, I have a lollipop of sample BO. Let me open this. They smell awesome. Smells sweet. Very sweet. Nice that. Okay. Okay, I ordered poison apple from Indigo because the poison apple from Nurture Soaps wasn't what I was expecting. Wasn't the fragrance of poison apple that they have. This one is very good to work with and I like it very much, and I have a big request of soaps of this one. A huge order for this one, so not huge. I have a also order. Yes, and they are very different. So the poison apple for Nurture Soap raised a lot. Wasn't easy to work with, but the poison apple from Indigo fragrance is great. So yeah, I don't know if only the name of the fragrance that is the same, because they're both apple. But the Nurture Soap one is a dupe from Lush something, Lush White. This is very crutch. Oh, very nice. Love it. Very vanilla. Oh, I love this one. Smells awesome. Very vanilla, it's awesome. Wow, love that. This one is very fluid. It's not a strong fruity scent. It's more perfumey than fruit. That's that one. Those are berries. This is chocolate orchid. Already have this one, but I'm going to make a big double batch soap, so need to order 2 of this. Do you see that? 2 of this one chocolate orchid. Smell great. Love it. Chocolate covered cherries. Oh my god, this smells awesome. Very chocolatey, very chocolatey. This one is nickel coffee. Oh wow, love this one. Love, 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 love coffee. This one is like a mix of a marshmallow, cookies and coffee, or caramel and coffee, but smell great. This one's chocolate raspberry. Yeah, smell like chocolate raspberry. It's not strong on the chocolate side, it's not strong on the raspberry, like a light scent. This one is chocolate covered strawberries. Oh wow, more chocolatey. Smell more like chocolate than strawberries, which is good. Green apple Jolly Ranger. Oh, my son is gonna love this. He loves his Jolly Rangers, so he's gonna love this. I hope he don't eat it. So this one goes here. Sneaker coffee with chocolate. This one with this one. Cappuccino espresso. You know I love my cappuccino espresso fragrances. Oh yeah, coffee, 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 coffee all the way. So this is my small haul from Indigo Fragrance. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you all. Bye bye. Blessings. Love you all.